okay to get hit with a jungle? Jesus. What did I do? Sorry.
If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red on the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe.
Hey fam, YuriLamasbella here, big time content creator. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of filming a TikTok. I like to take you guys behind the scenes and show you how I create my content because I'm a very detail-oriented person. It takes a lot of work, a lot of preparation, a lot of effort to really film any kind of content when it comes to me and my brand and the type of content that I like to produce. Taking you guys behind the scenes, I think it really helps you guys appreciate the content a lot more because you see how much work was put into this and how much it actually took, even if it's just a 1-minute TikTok video. And it just really makes me realize how much I love the process of content creating. It's like every character trait about me that differentiates me from other people, that makes me different, that makes me a little weird, is the reason why I think I'm able to tap into my creative mindset. I feel like I'm always thinking about the next piece of content that I want to produce, how this could relate to the people. Is this going to be funny? Would people laugh at this? And that's why I love creating content. It can be so much fun. I make it really tedious because, like I said, I'm a perfectionist, but it can be so much fun. And the end result, you just know how much work you put into it, and that the fact that you're willing to do that again and just want to grow and get better, for some reason, like, that's just amazing to me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes footage of creating my latest TikTok video. Go ahead and check that video out. It's going to be on my TikTok. I'll leave my TikTok handle down in the description. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. Now, as always, if you have any questions regarding anything that we discussed in the video, feel free to sound off in the comment section below. But as always, I'll be as informative as I can be down in the description. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I'm YuriLamasbella, big time content creator, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I really hope you'll stick around to subscribe. Okay, I'm done talking for real this time. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Why would I know where your keys are? And she's just like being annoying. What do you want in your background?
This is the angle that we're gonna be fighting, so I feel like I'm wondering if we should do it here or back here to show the window. How's this angle look? Oops.
That looks good.
Yeah.
We can be. Well, are we gonna be on the couch, or should it be that couch where we're fighting each other?
Yeah, we should. Yeah, it should probably be that couch. So should I do it over there, or maybe we should just do a close up on the couch? Yeah, this is good. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so I like it right here. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna film me and you, the whole thing fighting. The way I want to start is that you come in the shot. So I'm sitting like on this couch. You come in the shot and you're like, hey, look at this on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, get away from me, or like, you're sitting too close to me,
Mm-hmm.
or I'll think of something. And then you'll be like, stop being a baby.
Mm-hmm.
And then we start
Mm-hmm.
fighting. There's gonna be a part, and I'll let you know that I want to, like, you and I both look at mom.
Mm-hmm.
You know. So is that what you're wearing?
No, and this is not how my hair's gonna look.
Okay. So we're gonna do a minute of fighting. Okay. And then the next shot, Andrew's gonna help us. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Oh, come look at this.
Ow! You just hurt me.
Oh, don't push me.
Hey!
Stop
I didn't even hurt you that bad.
Yes, you did. Hey, look at this.
Ow! You hurt me.
So what if you're like sitting
Right here.
like right there? Yeah.
Push
Oh
me.
and I come
yeah.
over here, and I'm like, hey, look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, where'd you fall?
Are you ready? Let me know when you're ready. Did you fix it? Yeah.
Hey, come watch this.
Oh. Ow! That hurt.
Why'd you fall?
Why did you push me? Did I pull your hair hard?
Oh,
Okay, so now it's gonna be me and you fighting.
And then mom on the phone.
And then there's gonna be Andrew. We need your help. We need you to throw chancla at us. Okay, you're gonna count to 5, okay, Andrew? And then you're gonna hit throw, and then you're gonna count to 5 again, and then you're gonna throw the other one. Ready? Stop it! You're scratching me with your nails. Is that good? Yeah, the big one. Let's see it.
So we're gonna be fighting, and then we're gonna look. So when you want me to look, just squeeze my arm.
Okay. I gotta think of another way. I'm gonna just tap your foot like this.
Okay.
Go. All right, ready? Go. Stop
holding me!
You're scratching me! Maybe after you say you're scratching me, we look at mom.
Oh, okay, yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Go at you. Looks great.
Anyways.
Go. Ow, you're scratching me! I don't care! Ow! Stop! Let go! Okay, good. I'm gonna be like this.
Mhm.
And I'm gonna be like... What else do you do when you try to shut Andrew up?
You just go shh. No.
Yeah. Oh, and then I need the chancla.
Yeah.
So we gotta hit that in at least 40 seconds or however long we did that. I'm just gonna have them here so they're easy access. Sí, comadre, vas a ir a la quinceañera.
What are you doing? No, don't do that. Stop. You did it on purpose. What's wrong with you? You're the one without
Is that
any
it?
friends. I'm the stop.
Yeah.
I feel like I forgot something. Oh, did I do the mouth?
I think you did.
I was just trying to be nice to you.
I think I should be more to the center.
Stop.
All right, we're gonna do it again.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try to focus on being more in the middle and then like being more on the phone. Okay. Sí, comadre.
Stop pulling my hair. What are you doing? No, leave me alone. Don't do that. Stop. Yes, you did. You did it on purpose. I was just trying to be nice to you because you don't have any friends.
Is it my day to get hit with the chocolate? Jesus. What did I do?
And I gotta really be more in the middle. Okay. Ready? Go. Oh wait, with the phone. All right, ready? Go. Sí, comadre. Vas a ir a la...
Yeah, right. Okay. You with your black. Like that.
Ay, bolsita.
So I'm not annoying. See anything. Who cares what we're
Oh, darn it. Okay, ready? Okay. I think that was good.
I think
It's just really short, so I gotta like really.
see anything. Who cares what we're
Yeah, I like that.
Now what?
That's it.
That was it?
That's it. I just gotta go back and edit it and stuff.
G-Wagon, order over. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go-go. Draw that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta do it, none of these niggas no more.